Hey, hi. Today I will teach you how to round the given number to the nearest thousand. Rounding to nearest thousand. Okay. I will take an example. 7, 5, 2, 6. Okay. Uh, so we are rounding to nearest thousand. So uh, first, first identify the digit which is in thousands place. See, this 6 is in ones place, this 2 is in tens place, this 5 is in hundreds place, this 7 is in thousands place. Thousands place. Okay. Now, just check the immediate next digit after this 7. After this 7 in this direction. So, the next digit after this 7 in this direction is this 5. This 5. So, this 5 is equal to 5. Okay, one thing you remember, when this digit is equal to 5 or greater than 5. Okay, equal to 5 or greater than 5, we need to add 1 to the previous digit. Previous digit is your 7. Okay, I said equal to 5 or greater than 5. In this case, this 5 all comes here. I mean, this is equal to 5. So we have to add 1 to previous digit to 7. So first take this entire number as it is 7, 5, 2, 6. Now add 1 to this digit 7. This one plus 1. Okay. Now this 6 keep as it is, 7, 2 keep as it is, 5 keep as it is, 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Okay. Yeah. You got this right. Now next step is make all the digits as zeros except this digit which is in thousands place. Thousands place. So then this 8 will be as it is, this 5 will become 0, this 2 will become 0, this 6 become 0. So this is the answer, 8000. 8000 is the answer. Okay. So this number rounded to nearest thousand. So when this number is rounded to nearest thousand, we get this 8000. So I said in this step, while adding 1 to this 7, I said keep these digits as anta. So after taking these 5 to 6 digits as it is, then I made all zeros, these 5 to 6. But instead of that, you can do it directly here also. I mean, you just one add 1 to this 7. So 7 plus 1 becomes 8. Instead of bringing this 5 to 6 down, directly you can write zeros here. Why? Because that is the procedure. Okay, we have to round to nearest thousand. While rounding, this is the procedure we have to follow. After adding 1 to the 7, make all other digits zeros. So we will get this 8000. I will take another example for better understanding. So I will take 8342.26. Okay. Okay. So first identify the digit in the thousands place. So this 2 is in ones place, this 4 is in tens place, this 3 is in hundreds place, this 8 is in thousands place. This 8 is in thousands place. Now next identify the immediate next digit after this 8 in this direction. Which is that next digit after this 8 in this direction? This 3. Okay. We can see this 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. Okay. So now the process or procedure is, since this 3 is less than 5, you can keep this 1000 digit as it is. Okay, and make all other remaining digits as zeros. Remaining digits, you remember, after this digit in this direction only. If there are some digits exist in this, here in this direction before this 8, like here in this place, like 7 8 something like that, then you should not make these digits as zeros. Okay, these digits should be taken as it is here. But since here only one digit is there in the thousands place, and before this thousands place digit there are no any other digits, so I am taking only 8 down and making other digits after this 8 in this direction as zeros. Okay, see, now these 3 are make 0, this 4 0, this 2 0. This keep this decimal point as it is. This 2 in place of 2 you put 0, in place of 6 you put 0. Okay, now see, after this decimal point all the digits are zeros, so you can discard this part and you can equate this to this part, 8000. Okay, now this is the answer, 8000 is the answer. So when this given decimal number is rounded to nearest 1000, we get this 8000. I will take another example. $57,000 625 point 382. Okay, uh, yeah. First identify the digit in the thousands place. So this 5 is in ones place, this 2 is in tens place, this 6 is in hundreds place, this 7 is in the thousands place. This 5 is in 10,000s place. You consider this only because we are rounding to nearest thousand. You consider the digit which is in the thousands place. Okay. Now you check the immediate next digit after the 7 in this direction. So which is the digit? 6. This is the next digit after the 7 in this direction. See, we can see this 6, the 6 is greater than 5. Okay, the 6 is greater than 5. Now what we have to do? In the previous example I said if this digit is equal to 5 or greater than 5, we have to add 1 to the previous digit. Here 6 is greater than 5, so we have to add 1 to the previous digit. Here previous digit is 7. I mean the digit which is in thousands place. Okay. So your before adding 1 to this digit, first what you have to do? You have to, it's very important, you have to take this digit which is in thousands place and all other digits which are present before this digit. These digits are present after this 7, but this 5 is present before this digits. If there are other digits, you have to take all those. So here 5 is there, only one digit is there before 7. So this digit 7 and the digits before this 7, you have to take all down. So this 5 also you have to take here. Okay. Now you have to add 1 to this 7 because this 6 is greater than 5, plus 1 here, not here. Okay, don't confuse. Now add 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. This 5 will be as it is, 5 8. Now what we have to do means, you have to make all other digits. You have to make all other digits after this digits in this direction as zeros. So when I said make all other digits zeros, don't consider this 7 and 5 7. These 7 and 5 we have already taken this down. When I said all other digits means you have to make the digits which are present in this direction after this 7, not before the 7. So whatever the digits present after this 7, you make them zeros. So this in place of 6, 0, put on 0. In place of 2, put on 0. In place of 5, put on 0. Keep this decimal point as it is. In place of 3, 0. In place of 8, 0. In place of 2, 0. Now see, after this decimal point all are zeros. So what, we can discard this part and equate this to this part. 58,000. Okay. Now this is the answer, 58,000. Yeah. See, when this decimal number is rounded to nearest 1000, we will get this as the answer. I mean 58,000 is the answer. Okay. So anything related to my teaching and related to this concept, if you want to say anything, please mention in the comment, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.